Alright, hi guys. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to do a cut line. First of all, make sure you have your taskbar open at the top. You can see I've got my fill color, my stroke weight. If you don't see that, head over to this button that says Switch Workspace and make sure you've selected Essentials or Essentials Classic. Sometimes you have to click around a few times and make sure that taskbar stays up. Then make sure your layers are open. If you don't see your layers, go to Window and find Layers and make sure it's checked on the left. Cool, so to make a cut line, you're going to want to unlock all of your layers. You're going to want to drag and select all the pieces of your artwork. Copy it. That's Control-C for me on a Windows. Copy it all. Put a new layer and paste everything into that one layer. Now I'm going to go back and lock my art layers just so I don't have to worry about them again. So next, go to Object and hit Expand. This turns all of your lines into shapes. I don't have any lines in this art piece, but you still should do it just to make sure there aren't any stray pieces that need to be turned into shapes. And now that you have all your shapes, go back to Window and open Pathfinder. These are controls which allow you to combine or remove two shapes. Hit Unite, this first button on the left. Cool. So now what Unite did was it combined all of your shapes into one big shape. And now you're going to want to go to Effect, Path, Offset Path. This is going to make your image a little bigger around all edges. And you can type into here, you can say 1 inch, you can type in and say 1 point. You can use any kind of measurement you want. I'm just going to stick with 10.4 for now. And you're going to go back to Object and make sure it's still expanded. And now that you've got your shape, go back to Window and open Swatches all the way down here. We're going to create a new color that will that the computer will recognize as a cut line. And to do that, you're going to go to the upper 3 horizontal bars, the upper right, click on it and hit New Swatch. Make sure you are in CMYK. Make sure you've chosen spot color. Into the swatch name, type exactly what I type. Capital C cut, no space, capital C contour. That's CONTOUR. And now I always like to make my cut line magenta because it's easy to see and it usually stands out really well against the page. You don't have to, but if you do change the color, you can either click and drag these cursors or just type into the percentages as I did. Hit OK. And if you look over here, I've got a new swatch. That's my cut contour swatch. Go back and select your shape. Put the fill on nothing. Put the stroke on cut contour, and now go up to the top in your taskbar and change the stroke weight to 0.25 points. And that's it, that's your cut line. The computer will recognize this pink line as a image to cut out of the paper, the material. So yeah, good luck.